Welcome back to Scrapping with Lefty. Here's Lefty.
Well, welcome to a new video. What we got today is a Samsung UN46EH 6000 television, and we're going to find out what's good in here. It's got a metal backing. And manufacturer date on this, May 2012. Received this television from a restaurant, so it stopped working for them, so they asked if I'd take it away, and here it is. No sense in trying to fix it, especially if it came from a restaurant. It's gonna have a lot of hours on the screen. And there's one right here. Missed a screw. Not very many screws holding this together. And this is plastic. Do this cable. Appears to go to something in this leg. And this one. There we go. We're still in frame here. Let's see if we can bring this a little bit. There we go. Okay, under the front here, it's got these strips here that are to this. And this is what was, that's the power button. And don't have little flip Phillips over here anymore. This might be the last television I do for a while. We'll see. So it's basically a toggle button. MLCC there. One thing about MLCCs is if they're magnetic, they don't have silver in them. They have some other metal in it, and I'll post what it is there. If they're non-magnetic, then they have the good stuff in them. Nice gold tipped cable here. There, gold tipped. Gold tipped. 99% of the time that these ones here are gonna not be gold tipped. It's gonna be nickel. At least this television's gonna. It has some pretty decent components in it, as far as for gold recovery. Got some nice chips there. And a few MLCCs. Nothing on the back. Couple nice chips here. Nothing on the back. And a power supply board, it's always good for a little bit of copper. If you live in an area where you can get tube televisions, and if you have an outlet in order to get rid of them, those are very excellent. I mean, they're loaded with copper. Unfortunately, I can't get rid of the carcasses once I'm done with them. Have a couple IC chips on the back. These are easy, very easy to take apart. These they are, but they don't hold a lot of copper in them, given the gauge of the wire. This one here is kind of promising. Looks like it would be very easy to get the copper out of. Not this one, but it's a couple decent aluminum heat sinks. See if I can. This gold here, it's ENIG. So I mean, it's very, very light. It becomes very powdery when you refine it. It's very, very thin. It looks like there's a lot on there, but it's really not. It's not hard gold like would be on memory. I thought that was a crystal oscillator. I was going to get all excited, which would have been a rarity. But there's some gold on here. But I mean, it's not too bad. Trying to get to this. There's ribbon wires on the screen, and if you're a frequent visitor to this page, you should know what I mean. Speakers, they go in with my shred. If I can get it into the bucket, which I didn't. This wire here. Let me try to get you. We'll go over here. Right here. It goes to the light array. I'm just going to cut that off there. And what I want to do is I want to move this stuff off to the side. Get a stay. Or not. over there. And I found the screwdriver that I knew I had over here. Alright, and in the event, this is good to get the screen out. Which, so these, which they just peel right off. Got these little ones that are off to the side here. Sorry about the noise. Now you got these little ones that are on the side. So we'll put those in with our. I'm going to put that in with my gold bearing, what I believe to be gold bearing Mylars. And the reason why I think they're gold bearing is this little chip here. And I've seen a video where they did it, and I explained in a previous video. I thought they put other boards and components in with it, so I don't know what the yield is on these. I've been collecting and collecting, and I tried to refine it with hydrochloric and bleach, but the yield was so low that there wasn't. I could not. The yield was so low that I couldn't precipitate the gold, and what little there was, it was hardly wasn't worth it. Oh, there's 3 more on this side. That's a piece of glass. Get rid of that. So what we got, I dropped the stuff all over the place over here. Alright, we got all this, and then as I've said before, once you take all this stuff out, take the screen out, what you end up with, take to your regular scrapyard, is something that just resembles a lamp, a fluorescent tube, LED tube, basically, or a LED light. So I leave it just like this, and I take it just like this. So, peace, stay safe, scrap safe. Till the next time, ciao.